Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Sunday. It's been a little while since I've done a video, but I'm super excited to share some new products from Fancy Pants Designs. I received the new design team package on Friday, and it was just so much fun to receive and to look at everything that was sent. There's some exciting new projects, I think. So there's a total of 4 new paper collections. I'm going to be sharing just this one in this video. I don't want to make the video too long, but it's such a pretty collection. It's the Home Cafe paper collection, so I'll share this in a bit. They also included some other items that are available in the shop at the fancypantsdesigns.com website, so I wanted to share those. So they included these fun craft domes, and these are new to me. I haven't seen these, but I did look in the shop, and they are available for purchase. They're $14.99, and they're plastic with a nice thick wooden base. So super cute. There's an example in the shop where they created something using this craft dome and one of the new die sets that's also listed in the shop. So this one is the layered deer cutting die set, and it comes with 5 pieces, and as you can see here, they all have like a little base here for more like dimensional projects. I think these would be good for like a pop-up card or something like that. Super cute. So here are the deer and the little flower die. This one also has like a little base here, and it's like leaves. This one could be like a little tree there, and then this one just looks like wildflowers to me. Super cute. So this is fun. It'll be fun to get creative with this one, and that one is listed at $21.99 in the shop. And then there's 2 other cutting dies that they sent. So this one I have from another Coco and Reno cutting die set, but I like that they've separated maybe like the more popular dies into their own little separate set that you can purchase at a better price, I think, than purchasing the whole set that it originally came in. So this one is to make the notches for the discs for your binding, and it's listed at $9.99. So this one is really good. I've used this a lot too. I do have the punch, the disc punch, but this one I've used because it already comes, spaced out evenly and multiple cuts all in one pass. So this is a really good one. And then this one is actually one of my favorites. It also came with the more pieces originally in the Coco and Reno set that I have, but I thought this is great because I come to these over and over, and they're the to create paper ruffles, and you get a thinner one and a wider one to create your paper ruffles, and I do use this so much. So this is a great one to have. It's the Ruffles cutting die set, and it's listed at $12.99. And then we are going to go ahead and go into the Home Cafe paper collection. This is so cute. And I did look because some of the other collections have some foam stickers, but this collection does not come, at least not yet. There's no foam stickers listed, but it does come with the enamel stickers that you can purchase separately. These are $4.99 enamel dot stickers, and I love the colors. So I do really, really like enamel dot stickers, and I use them a lot. So love that it comes with that. And then you've got ephemera package here with 69 pieces of ephemera, and I like the colors in this collection, and I like the ephemera pieces. I think they're just such pretty designs. So I don't know if you can see that there, but you've got some cakes, some vintage style like mixing bowls, apron, a little oven there, blenders. They look like retro or vintage blenders. So this is a really cute, fun design, especially if you're doing like a recipe book or any kind of a baking album or projects to gift homemade treats. This is so cute. So there's that. And then here is the paper collection. It comes with 12 by 12 double-sided papers, and they're really nice thick papers, great quality. You get 2 each of 6 designs, and then it comes with the sticker sheet. And normally I did notice, since I was looking for the foam stickers, that normally the sticker sheets have like quite a bit of smaller stickers, but this sticker sheet here, and sorry I didn't open the, sorry for the noise, but I do want to take this part of it out. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, guys, I should be better prepared. But like I said, it's been a while since I've done a video, so sorry about that. So this is the sticker sheet that comes with the paper collection, and it's to me it looks like it's a sticker sheet, but it's very similar to the foam stickers that come in some of the other collections, but they're just, you know, not foam backed. They're just flat stickers, but still super cute, a good size on these stickers. And just look at the designs. Oh my gosh, I think they're so cute. It's got strawberries thrown in, you know, baking theme, recipes, and that cute little apron. So cute. So I love this, and it even comes kind of like a little line here. That's why I'm saying it really I think is like a cross between what, like these would have been what would have been on the foam sticker sheet if it had been included. So really cute stickers. And then here's the papers. I'll go through these one by one. So this is just a beautiful pattern paper. I love the colors, the dark blue, the navy blues, and the pastels. And here's the back side of this paper. Love the strawberries, so cute. And then next we have this paper here with strawberries in different colors, different shades. More of a red here. This one kind of looks orangey to me. Pink, and then the white, you know, flowers and leaves. Super cute. And here's another pink and red pattern paper with strawberries. Love it. This one I think is so cute. I love the stripes. Anything striped is really pretty. And then this one, they look like pears. Really cute. You can even probably do some fussy cutting on those, on the pears. Here is another pattern paper with just blue and white and all the baking theme. Here's the back side of that. And let me see. There's that one, front and back. And this one here, it's like a pretty, like mustard kind of yellow with dots. Love this one with the hearts and the pretty colors on that one. And here's another one that is a baking theme, same as the other one, just this is more of a like a seafoam green kind of, I think. And then this really pretty large floral pattern. And that's it, guys. Those are the papers. And here is the collection. Let me see. Since I think we still have a little bit of time, I'm going to go through some of the die cuts. There's so many. You get 69 pieces of the die cuts. And, oh my gosh, so cute. So fun. So you got some little jars with strawberries, spatula. This looks like a receipt. Not sure what this would be. It's got a flower on there. Looks kind of like the base of a blender with a flower on there. This beautiful cake stand. And this one here would be like a scale, I think. So cute. Love the colors. This really cute apron. Eat cake for breakfast. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. Home cafe. Some fun strawberries. Here is that like retro looking blender. Love that. Another apron. Live, love, bake. And let me see. We've got a strainer here. This one says happiness is homemade. Homemade bakery. Baker's gonna bake. And cooked with love. And just lots of fun elements, mixing bowls, florals, plant here, a mixing cup, I think, a whisk, the cute little oven here. This one says let's bake. This one says food. Refrigerator here. So cute, like a retro refrigerator. Your rolling pin, a little juicer there, citrus juicer. I mean, so many cute things. You see, you get the idea. Strawberries, little oven mitt, time to bake. So those are all the fun items included in this Home Cafe collection kit. So I hope you'll check it out. I do have a discount code. If you want to save 10%, you can use my discount code SWEETS, SWEETS, and the number 10, and you can save 10% on your order at fancypants.com. So also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. I post a little bit more often there, and I am papersweets09 on Instagram. So yeah, I'll be back to share the other paper collections and also some projects, and I'm super excited, guys. I love this craft dome. Oh my gosh, what would you make with this? I have some ideas, but it's always fun to hear what other people could see using that for. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.